So if you're working on a E150 brakes, you're probably wondering how this goes if you didn't take a picture. Like, I did not take a picture, and I disassembled my brakes and weeks went by before I put everything back together, so I couldn't really find a video on YouTube explaining it, but I found a diagram and I post a picture of that. The spring kind of clips in there. You just kind of give it a little push. There it goes. It's the bottom one. And these retaining clips, the ends of them have to, let me try to get a better picture, but there's a little hole on your calipers right here at the top corner. Let's see, I'll point at it right there. Right there. And on the bottom too, right here, and over here also. And you want to get this inside of there, this one, right on this one too. So I already did the other side. It could be a little tricky. I kind of mounted the caliper halfway on like that, and then I would kind of swing this around. Let's see. Screwdriver is a lot of help. It kind of get it around there, right up in here. It should sit right in here, and then it's kind of guided in. All right, grab my light. So that one's not really completely in all the way yet. Oh, this one's in. Oh, this one doesn't want to cooperate too well. Let me put this. Well, I'll get the bottom one started. Okay, that one's in. Let's try to get this other one snap in, at least. Okay, actually I think that's okay. That one in pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and put the caliper on. Get the bolt started. I always just try to grease everything up really well. Okay, it should sit inside of there. Not sure what's holding it up. That one started. Sometimes you just have to force it in there, you know. So now, let me try to get that spring to seat in there. I think it's... Okay, there it went. That one's in too. So that's what it should look like. No, I just gotta get the bottom bolt in. Actually, use this guy right here. Okay. All right, that's just, I guess, you know, it keeps them pads from vibrating in there. So I hope this helps you out. It's for the E150s. I actually got these parts off of a 2004 E150 two-wheel drive, and I put them on a older 91 Ford. Stop recording.